Okay guys, so before we start this video, I just want to tell you that this is clips of me getting kills in Wild Revolvers. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Just watch it. It might be good for you, it might be bad for you. Comment down below. So enjoy it. Peace!
I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my.
So hopefully you guys enjoy all of those clips of me getting kills. It's kind of hard to make them because I have to like edit so much. But hopefully you guys enjoy. Hit the like button, subscribe. Bye bye. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace!